po i-share, very sentimental po itong stage na to kasi dito po ako nag-graduate ng high school. And hindi ko po natapos yung graduation ko noon kasi may taping ako. And I remember that was during my very first year of being an actress. And now, 9 years later, ngayon tinatanggap ko naman yung very first award ko for my very first film. So, thank you so much to, of course, kinakatahan ko. Sorry. So, of course, thank you so much po to GMA Pictures, of course, Miss Nessa, Miss Ange, Sir Bats, who is also here, and of course, to my co-actors, si Yuen, of course. Congratulations din, Yuen. Of course, Sir Ed Quizon, si Aya Adela, of course, Miguel. Ang dami ko pong natutunan sa kanila, so thank you so much. And of course, nanahinilig ko yung boses ko, pasensya. Of course, to my GMA bosses po, Miss Annette, Miss Joy, my manager, Sir Da, Miss Mean, Ate Dayan, and of course, kila Miss Lilibet po, Miss Gigi, Miss Helen, who have all trusted me. Thank you so much. Of course, gusto ko rin batiin po yung mga former managers ko who also was a part of my journey. So, Tito Ojo Diaz, of course, Captain Luz, kay Nanay Lolit, and kay Tito Gordy who have guided me also along the way. So, maraming salamat po. Of course, Mama, who's here, thank you so much, Holiday Support. Kay Papa, kay Daddy, maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal. Of course, once again, PMPC, thank you so much for this award. I am very grateful po. And patuloy ko pong pagtatrabahuhan ang craft ko. And patuloy ko po